Now, Bowling Green won't go bowling, but progress has certainly been made in year 3 of Scott Leffler's tenure. A 4-8 campaign with wins at Minnesota and Buffalo, throwing a couple of games that could have gone either way, and an 8-4 season very well could have happened. But Leffler and the Falcons are realists, and they know there's still work to be done, work that begins now with recruiting and off-season conditioning.
You know, I think we definitely took a step forward. Everybody can see that, and now we need to take that next step to become a championship caliber program, and it's going to take leadership from a lot of the guys. Myself, we need to become more of a player-driven team, and that's something that we're going to work on in the off-season.
And that's what they need to do. They need to transition from being young guys to everything's really important, and our leadership of our team needs to change. It needs to improve, and then have the best off-season. Get to spring football. Have a great spring, tough spring, and then be smart in training camp and get ready to be super competitive next year.